This video shows how to buy shares of Bridgebio Pharma Inc., ticker BBIO. Bridgebio is a biopharmaceutical company focused on genetic medicines, and it trades on NASDAQ. And this is an educational guide, not investment advice. To buy BBIO, you need a brokerage account. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an ID and add funds before you can place a purchase. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BBIO to find Bridgebio Pharma Inc. Select the listing that matches the NASDAQ exchange to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart for BBIO. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker to be sure this is the right stock. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, and carefully review the order details before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or placed when the market opens, and the platform will require you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your BBIO position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want more information.